This is the one I've been waiting for.
Every single day.
Hey Tech Leads, so there's a reason why I want to get this Zenfone 6. Now, I like phones that are different. A lot of these Android phones are pretty similar to each other. They might have a different spec here, they might have a pop-up camera, they might have something a little different, but generally they're all in the same ballpark. Now, what really stood out to me about this phone is, you already know. Well, if you don't know, now you know. Here's the box, Zenfone 6, pretty standard box. I don't really do unboxings, but I'm pretty excited to get this phone. So like I said, it's something a little different. So we're gonna see how it looks. So Zenfone 6, pop it open. Now this is my true first look and first impressions. It says flip camera, nice little logo there. And here we go. SIM ejection tool. I did buy this off of Swappa. It did have a person that owned it before I did, but he said it's in mint condition. It comes with a nice case. Okay, I bought a case anyway, but let's go ahead and see. Here it is. Now it says Zenfone 6 defy ordinary. Exactly, something a little different. Something a little different. All right. A55 plus 6.4, that's cool. But this is the big thing right here, the flip camera, front and rear. It says front and rear, but it's one camera, but it flips to the front, right? All right, so here we go. He still, he packaged it pretty nice for me. And here it is. Woo, glorious. Look at that. We'll try to get up closer. You can see a little dusty, but look, minimal bezels. The bottom has a little bit of a chin, but very minimal bezels. I'm not the biggest hater of notches, but I'm not a fan either. But having a phone that can offer minimal bezels with style. So here's the back. Big Head said it looks very industrial to him, and I agree. I really love the look of this phone. Now, when people talk about the looks of a phone, there's so many different ways to look at it. Does the look matter if you put a case on it anyway, right? And I'm definitely gonna put a case on this one. But some of my phones that I don't keep cases on because of the looks, but this phone is industrial. This phone is gonna be functional for me. So I really like it. Look, it has fingerprint scanner on the back. There's that dual camera, right? That flips over to the front. Right here, we have a power button. We have volume rocker, and here's a dedicated, I'm pretty sure that it is customizable, so we're gonna have to see. On the opposite side, SIM slot, and the top, no headphone jack, but we got one down there. Now, we know how people love their headphone jacks, right? USB-C, and looks like speakers down here. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and see what else is in here real quick. All right, charging cable, charger, come with some headphones because it does come with a headphone jack. All right, man, I have like 4 wired headphones that came with phones that I never opened. Bluetooth. Nah, so right here and nothing. That's just a placeholder. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what's up with this phone. You already know I'm excited. Turn it on. There it is, powered by Android. That's nice. Look at that. Damn, that's nice. Okay, so here it is. It shows you the proximity sensor. Ensure the proximity sensor is not covered. So it still has a proximity sensor in the bezel somewhere. That's what it's saying. Screen protector, cause screen darken, the camera to flip properly. I don't know if we can see it in there. Can't really see it. So that's pretty good design. But you can see a little tiny speaker grill right here. Tiny speaker grill. All right, and nothing much at the bottom. So here we go. Next, let's see what's up. Protect your phone. All right, let's set up the fingerprint scanner. Add a fingerprint. Here we go. Smart key. Easily way Google Assistant. All right. So you may customize smart key function to fit your personal needs. That's what I'm talking about. Setup is complete. Now this is the global version. This is the global version. US version is not available yet. And my main concern are the bands. And there's 3 different models. There's the A, B, and C model. From what I read, C has the most compatible number of bands for T-Mobile or GSM networks here. Right. I just want to check this phone. Now here it is. Pretty clean. Whoa, look at that. Looking like stock Android. I got a Pixel over here, and it reminds me of that already. Look, I love these bezels, man. Look at these minimal bezels. It's pretty cool looking, right? Going away from the notch for real. All right, so I'm not even gonna waste any time. Here we go. No thanks. Go ahead and take a picture. Let's see how it looks. Ooh, right there. What did I say? Slide up or long press the switch, camera button, or trigger camera flip. I'm just gonna take a standard pic. There it is. That's cool. I wanna rotate it up. Let's see what I got here. 4.3 HDR auto settings. Okay, we got tracking. Oh, motion tracking. I heard that's a pretty cool feature. You can set it down and the camera will slide with you. Time lapse, video, photo, portrait. Okay. All right, super nice. All right, we got it. Let's go back to photo and let's pop it out. Here it is. Woo! Back down with it. You heard that? Here to go again. Woo, nice and fast. So yeah, I'm just checking this out, man. I guess I should flip it and see what that. I guess the front camera gonna look just like the rear camera. I'm gonna pop it up. Selfie mode on fleek. See what it end up looking like. Okay. You know, I'm gonna post that in there and see how it looks. Man, this should be the best selfie camera on the market. It should be. All right. So just looking at that, I'll scroll back. Let me see what we can do here. I just want to play with some of the features real quick. So I want to see if I'm recording. Let's see what I can do here. Oh, that's dope. I'm panning the camera around as I'm recording. And it flipped. You saw that? The orientation changed. Man, that's cool. Oh, you heard that though? You hear that vibration? Oh, I guess I should have showed you the camera coming around. Look at that light. Check it out. Dang, that's crazy. Now, the reason why I really wanted this phone is because I record a lot of most of now, my videos on my cell phone. And by doing that, it's kind of hard to see because I want to use the best camera. And to use the best camera, you want to use the cameras on the back. So I can't really see what I look like or what I'm showing in the frame. With this, I can have it automatically flipped with the best camera on the phone, record, set it up, and now I know what I'm looking at. And also vlogging. Big head of myself been out there vlogging a little bit more. And it'll be cool to have a top quality. I didn't say the best. I have to put it through its paces. One of the top quality cameras to vlog with, to have fun with. I can see he's in the frame, I'm in the frame. It's the best possible picture that we can have. So I'm really loving all the other features of the phone are cool and all that, and I'm gonna dive deeper into that. I mean, it has a 5,000 milliamp battery, so that's gonna be great when we out there vlogging. But there's a lot of features that we could dive into a little further, but of course this camera is the biggest draw to me. And that's, I would think, the main reason to get this phone. So I'm gonna take a nice little portrait mode of myself again. Pop it up, and there it is. Okay. Details. We're gonna check this out a little deeper. It has a professional manual mode. Let's see the features on there. So you got manual mode for the front facing camera. Okay, look, it's so sturdy. It's so nice. Look at that. Man, I'm telling you, this is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. Right? If I flip it back to the back, goodies. Right? So let's go ahead. Let's do panorama. So I'm going to go ahead and hit panel. I want to start here. So watch this. I'm going to take the picture. I'm going to push the button. Automatically. What happened if I keep it there? What happened if I keep it there? It's going to come full circle? Woo! Dang. It went full circle. It got me in it with my iPhone XS Max. Look at that. Full. Dang, that's crazy. Man, I'm about to have some fun with this. It's something different. It's something different. That's what I'm talking about. I want to try that tracking feature. I'm going to go ahead and end this video vlog style with using the audio from the actual device itself. And just to get an idea what it's going to be like with the stabilization and things of that nature. This is what I want to use the phone for. Not just for vlogs, but for stationary filming in my studio, things like that. This is a big addition to the tech leads. There's so much more to this phone than just, you know, the camera. But of course, the main draw is this. We're gonna dive into it when we fully put it through the paces. This is just a quick look, quick feel, get an idea what it's like to have the Asus Zenfone as our content creation device. Tech leads. We do this for the culture, baby. Hey, we're doing this for you. We out, man.